In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your object library in HubSpot. Understanding how to navigate and utilize the HubSpot platform can greatly enhance your productivity, and we're here to simplify that process for you. Now, let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to the HubSpot user guide. It's easy to find if you're already on the HubSpot platform. All you need to do is pop open your favorite browser and sign into your HubSpot account. From your HubSpot dashboard, you'll see the user guide option, an incredibly helpful resource, especially if you're exploring specific features or need a quick refresh on certain tools. Once you've landed on the user guide page, you'll have access to various options that will help you make the most out of your HubSpot experience. Next up, you'll want to click on the Settings option. This is where the magic begins. It's typically located on your dashboard, denoted by a gear icon, and acts as the nerve center for your entire HubSpot setup. Clicking on Settings opens up a world of possibilities, allowing you to customize your HubSpot environment to suit your specific needs. This step is crucial as it guides you closer to accessing your object library, among other valuable settings. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll through to find the Object Library. It's like your treasure trove of stored templates, lists, and various configurations that you might have set up over time. With just a click, the Object Library gives you a comprehensive view of all these components, making it easier for you to manage and use them in your campaigns, projects, or customer engagements. It's an intuitive feature that HubSpot provides to streamline your workflow. Throughout this process, keep in mind that HubSpot's interface is designed to be user-friendly, so navigating through these steps should be relatively straightforward. However, if at any point you find yourself stuck, don't hesitate to explore the help resources that HubSpot provides. They offer a wealth of information and can guide you through more complex tasks if needed. And there you have it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully accessed your object library within HubSpot. This feature allows you to efficiently organize and manage your data, ensuring that you have all the information you need at your fingertips. Remember, revisiting the user guide for additional context or next steps is always a good idea if you're looking to expand your knowledge further. Thanks for joining us today, and we hope this guide helps you make the most out of your HubSpot experience. Be sure to check back for more tips on how to harness the power of HubSpot to elevate your customer interactions and achieve your business goals.